Hey guys, John here. Today we have modifications going down for both the 4th gen Tacoma and also my 2nd gen Tundra. All of this stuff, guys, you can find on Yotaverse.com. They are a sponsor here on the channel, and they hooked it up with some pretty awesome stuff, including a steering wheel for the Tundra, leather wrapped, which I'm super happy about because the steering wheel in that truck is garbaggio. Some stuff also that should have came with these Toyotas from day one. We got some aftermarket stuff too, Diode Dynamics, and they also sell some OEM stuff here too on their website, like some floor mats. Link and discount code, guys, in the description, with also a link to our forum 4G Taco, where I will be documenting some of this stuff there as well. First thing we're gonna start with are the OEM floor mats. Why Toyota? One, makes you like pay for floor mats. I don't understand. But on a Tier D off-road, gives you carpet floor mats? I have no idea. So carpet floor mats, they got all dirty. They got all red mud or red dirt, whatever, from Utah. But these guys right here give us a little bit more coverage over the OEM. You could see where the OEM pretty much stopped right in there. So I left this sand. I know it's cringe, but you could see where these will cover up. Not perfect to the plastic right here, but still better than what was there. And you could just see how dirty these mats are. I mean, look at the Tacoma logo and stuff all there. It's pretty much not even close to new anymore. And now I'm gonna put these in my attic for whenever I either sell that Tacoma or give it away. Now the next mod, this thing is pretty much mandatory on both the Tundra and Tacoma. We're gonna be putting in these center console organizers. Probably the easiest and most effective mod, because the center console and all these Toyotas, like all this stuff down here, the knife, the freaking little light, and how you doing, it just, everything just goes down into this cavern of a center console. Keys and stuff, which I can now set up here, even things to like your tire deflators and stuff, it could all sit all nice up top, and then you put that in there like this. You need to get to the stuff back down below, which is even bigger. You just take it out, put it back in. Definitely needed. Why Toyota doesn't give us that from the factory, I have no idea, but for Yotaverse, that's good, because I'm sure this thing is a nice profit maker, honestly. And now pretty much same install over here on the Tundra too. The nice thing is that it has like a little cutout right here to throw up your little charging cable that you have. Boom. It's even nicer with this Tundra console, because now we have a whole bunch of space to add things, because the Tundra center console is freaking cavernous, guys. All right, so these fog lights are actually going to replace our OEM ones here, but as I was recording, this came in from Cali Rays. So what this is a hidden light bar mount for back here behind the grill. So I hate to do this, but I think I'm gonna add both of these in one video. So just know you can get this on Yotaverse's website, but when I do this in the video, take the bumper off and everything, I'm actually gonna wire it into the aux switches too to show you guys how to do that. And we got wifey backing in the new GX that we have for a week. More videos coming on this. This or Land Cruiser? Oh. Gun to your head. This or Land Cruiser? 5, 4. Wow.
Yeah.
GXy, huh?
Yeah, actually.
Dang. It's absolutely crazy coming over to the Tacoma from that Tundra over there, because of the ceramic window tint. Just on these front two windows really makes a difference. We're actually going to be ceramic tinting the Tundra on Monday, actually on the 19th. But these dudes right here are for the steering wheel. So this stuff is held on by some 3M adhesive. But before I do it, let me know in the comment section which one you guys like more. This is it all blacked out, and this is over here as kind of like a brushed aluminum. Do you guys like the blacked out or the brushed aluminum? Now, honestly, one thing Toyota did really well with this new Tacoma was not a bunch of crazy cheap looking chrome everywhere. However, AJT, and Yotaverse sells AJT stuff, they still make this little handle. So if you want to get rid of the somewhat chrome, right, you could just slide this, pull it in, boom, onto the handle right there, and you could have a nice kind of blacked out handle right here. So this actually feels pretty nice. I believe this is 3D printed, but the material of it actually feels really nice and almost OEM like, and then it just gives you a blackout look right here on your door. Next, we got a little screen protector here, 14-inch screen on this Tacoma. Massive, guys, but that is where a nice little screen protector will come into place. Kind of satisfying. Pad that they gave me to kind of push out some bubbles, and then the Florida heat will take care of the rest of them. I know that for sure. All right, and now we are gonna do probably my favorite mod that we're gonna do today, and that is the steering wheel. But first, what up, V8? We got to disconnect the battery because we don't want the airbag freaking blowing up in our face. And looking at this engine bay, guys, it's actually pretty clean. There were a couple trucks I was looking at, one up in Ohio, well, two actually up in Ohio, and one down in Florida that got sold pretty quickly. And then this one. And the two up in Ohio, they were Canadian trucks, which was actually pretty cool because it had like heated seats and the parking sensors and stuff. But this one, it had a little bit of rust, but not as much as those, dude. Those ones had rust. Every single bolt that you see here in this engine bay, it had rust all over the place with those trucks. So now the reason I'm excited for this is just look how dingy and gross this steering wheel is. So for some reason on this model of the TRD Pro, the 2019s built off the SR5s, it's just like this vinyl wrapped steering wheel, which nothing against it, but after a few years of whoever was driving it before me, and honestly, not trying to sound bougie, but all my other vehicles have leather wrapped steering wheels. You can tell the difference. This feels just like a work truck and I don't like it, so we're going to be swapping it out. There's plenty of videos on the internet, but basically we have to use a plastic pry tool to pull this off. Probably not. It seems like my fingers can just do that. And we're going to have to get a bit to take this off of this side and off of the other side to be able to take out the airbag right here. Then these dudes on the side will take out with a Phillips head. Hello. The Phillips screws, you could see them right here for this. There were a couple extra. We're gonna have to remove the cruise control stock. There we go. Got both the control modules out. Little video game. Whatever. I'm hot and freaking tired, bro. I never thought I'd be doing this, guys. Taking a steering wheel off of a vehicle. That's kind of crazy. And here we go with them out side by side. We can really tell the differences between them. So you have like just the vinyl wrapped, kind of boring. And then we have the leather wrapped, little bit of grip texture right here with it too. The red stitching to match the TRD Pro. Let's go ahead and put it in. I'm gonna line up all of our plastic bits on the back. I saw online that this little bolt to hold on the steering wheel is 35 foot-pounds. All right, and we got it all installed. Look how much better that is. Not only that, but how much better it feels. And you could tell that the truck is old a little bit. This is all a nice dark leather black. This silver definitely stands out now, but horn, it works. Everything seems to be good. So as you guys can tell, sweated through my shirt and my hat, but all the stuff is installed aside from those diode dynamic fog lights, like I said, for the Tacoma, because we will be doing that, plus that Cali Rays hidden light bar in a future video. But again, everything for Yotaverse and a discount code down in the description, along with our forum down there too. Appreciate you guys watching, and I will catch you all in the next one.